Welcome to Jetta's Craft Cottage. If you have a hurt that won't let you play, just call Boo Boo Bunny to kiss it away. Put ice in his pouch to take away the ouch. And if you have tears, wipe them with bunny's ears. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy Boo Boo Bunnies so that if you have any children or grandchildren that get hurt, this is a nice way to soothe their pain. To make these Boo Boo Bunnies, you will need some washcloths, some hair ties or rubber bands, small pom-poms for its nose, large pom-poms for his tail, some googly eyes, some ribbon, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. We want to open up our washcloth and put it at an angle, and we're going to fold it on both sides, coming to the center. You're going to fold it in half so that the two ends meet. This is where the ice will go, and then we're going to flip it so it is up this way. Put a tie right here. Now we'll embellish him with his eyes, tail, and nose. Using a hot glue gun for his eyes. And we'll make the tail. You could either leave your elastic like this, or we can put some ribbon on it. Now your Boo Boo Bunny is complete. You can either put an ice cube in the center, or you can wet the whole bunny and freeze it, and when you need to have the Boo Boo Bunny, it's already there. I hope you'll make these little bunnies. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.